Hi guys, hi to everyone. Hi to everyone. Yes, today sub-engineering exam completed, right? So మనము two types of exams ఇంతకుముందు చూసాం, ITI level and BTech level. ITI level and BTech level. Now is it okay? I think. Now it is okay, I think. Yes, yes. Hi to everyone. Hi. Now it is okay. Right. So ITI వాళ్ళకి డిఫరెంట్ గా అడిగాడు క్వశ్చన్, తప్పుగా ఇచ్చాడు, లెంతీగా ఇచ్చాడు అనుకుందాం. దెన్ ఆఫ్టర్ అసిస్టెంట్ ఇంజనీర్ వాళ్ళకి ఈజీగా అడిగాడు. సో నౌ కమింగ్ టు అవర్ సబ్ ఇంజనీరింగ్, the question paper is very different. Right? కొన్ని టఫ్ క్వశ్చన్స్, కొన్ని ఈజీ క్వశ్చన్స్. Tough means generally without calculator we can't do that, and even though కొన్ని we can't see anywhere. అలాంటి క్వశ్చన్స్ కూడా ఉన్నాయి సార్. Really different గా అడిగాడు క్వశ్చన్ పేపర్. So this is the question paper for quality people really. So general గా OU question paper ఎలా ఉంటుంది అంటే this is the best example actually. Compared to assistant engineer, this is really best question paper. So now let's see the questions, how they asked you, and what are the solutions for that. Actually Ramana sir somewhere and మన ఫ్యాకల్టీ కొంచెం అవైలబుల్ లో లేకపోవడం వల్ల కొంచెం లేట్ అయింది సార్, but finally we came with solutions. So now first of all I will come with power electronics solutions. Then after I will come for like a machines and power systems, measurements, etc. Okay sir. Now Sampath sir will come with power electronics solutions. Let's see sir, let's see.
So good afternoon everyone. So first power electronics questions చూద్దాం, in detail గా చూసేద్దాం. సో వాటిని ఎలా సాల్వ్ చేయాలో సో అవి కూడా చూద్దాం. సో ఫస్ట్ పవర్ ఎలక్ట్రానిక్స్ క్వశ్చన్స్. So first single phase full wave converter input displacement factor ఇచ్చారు √3/2. నెక్స్ట్ వన్ వచ్చి సింగిల్ ఫేజ్ సెమీ కన్వర్టర్ has the same input displacement factor ఇచ్చారు. సో ఫైండ్ ద రేషియో ఆఫ్ అవుట్పుట్ వోల్టేజెస్ అడుగుతున్నాడు. సో ఫస్ట్ మనకి ఇన్పుట్ డిస్ప్లేస్మెంట్ ఫ్యాక్టర్ పక్కన పెట్టేస్తే సింగిల్ ఫేజ్ సెమీ కన్వర్టర్ కి సింగిల్ ఫేజ్ ఫుల్ కన్వర్టర్ కి ఏంటి అంటే యావరేజ్ అవుట్పుట్ వోల్టేజెస్ ఫస్ట్ రాసుకోండి. సో V0 ఈక్వల్స్ టు సింగిల్ ఫేజ్ ఫుల్ కన్వర్టర్ అయితే 2Vm by pi into cos alpha. అదే సింగిల్ ఫేజ్ సెమీ కన్వర్టర్ అయితే Vm by pi into 1 plus cos alpha. So Vm by pi into 1 plus cos alpha. So Vm by pi get cancelled. So 2 cos alpha by 1 plus cos alpha. So ఇక్కడ చూడండి సింగిల్ ఫేజ్ ఫుల్ కన్వర్టర్ has the input displacement factor of √3/2 అన్నాడు. So సింగిల్ ఫేజ్ సెమీ కన్వర్టర్ displacement factor is nothing but cos alpha అన్నమాట. So √3/2 ఎప్పుడు వస్తుంది ఆల్ఫా వాల్యూ. So alpha equals to 30 degrees. So alpha equal to 30 degrees, that will be √3/2 for ఇది దేనికి సింగిల్ ఫేజ్ ఫుల్ కన్వర్టర్ కి. then సింగిల్ ఫేజ్ సెమీ కన్వర్టర్ కి has the same input displacement factor. అంటే సింగిల్ ఫేజ్ సెమీ కన్వర్టర్ యొక్క డిస్ప్లేస్మెంట్ ఫ్యాక్టర్ కూడా √3/2 ఏ. బట్ ఇది ఫుల్ వేవ్ కన్వర్టర్ కి. నెక్స్ట్ సెమీ కన్వర్టర్ కి డిస్ప్లేస్మెంట్ ఫ్యాక్టర్ అంటే cos alpha/2 equals to means ఇక్కడ cos inverse of alpha means alpha equal to 30, alpha/2 equal to 30. సో alpha equal to ఏమొస్తుందంటే 60 degrees వస్తుంది. సో ఇక్కడ ఫస్ట్ alpha1 nothing but సెమీ ఫుల్ కన్వర్టర్ కి, alpha2 వచ్చి సెమీ కన్వర్టర్ కి మీన్స్ ఫస్ట్ దాంట్లో 30 degrees, సెకండ్ దాంట్లో 60 degrees కనుక మీరు సబ్స్టిట్యూట్ చేస్తే మీకు ఆన్సర్ వచ్చి 19th one C వస్తుంది. Next 20 question. So 100 volts. So 100 volts DC source RL load having a current of 20 milliamperes and 100 microseconds. So next if a thyristor having a latching current icharu, nothing but a latching current is 30 milliamperes. So now it is connected in series between the source and load. Find a pulse width of 50 microseconds current in the circuit అన్నాడు. సో నార్మల్ గా మనకి డివైస్ అనేది ఆన్ అవ్వాలి అంటే ఆల్వేస్ latching current is greater than holding current ఉండాలి, and it should be the ratio between the latching current and holding current is greater than means equal to 2.5 నుంచి 3 మధ్యలో ఉండాలి. బట్ ఇప్పుడు మీరు ఈ వాల్యూస్ ని latching current holding current ని క్యాలిక్యులేషన్ చేస్తే గనక that will be less value వస్తుంది, which means that current will be 0 amperes. So next one, a 3-phase 4-pole 50 Hz 1480 rpm induction motor fed from a 3-phase 50 Hz cycloconverter. So output of a cycloconverter is 1/3 times of input, means output frequency equals to 1/3 times of input frequency is given as 50 Hz. Output frequency of a cycloconverter enta ante 50 divided by 3. So what is the speed of the induction motor? It same slip అంటున్నాడు. సో ఎప్పుడైతే మీరు స్లిప్ అనేది ఈక్వేషన్ ఈక్వల్ అంటున్నాడో slip 1 equals to slip 2, nothing but ఇక్కడ ns minus nr divided by ns equals to next one ns 2 minus nr2 by. సో ఇక్కడ మీకు సింక్రోనస్ స్పీడ్ దీని నుంచి క్యాలిక్యులేట్ చేయొచ్చు. 1500 rpm minus 1480 means 1500 minus 1480 divided by 1500, that equals to దేనికి ఈక్వల్ చేసుకోవాలి అంటే ఇక్కడ మనకు అవుట్పుట్ ఫ్రీక్వెన్సీ ఎంత వస్తుంది 1/3 టైమ్స్ ఆఫ్ అవుతుంది. సో అక్కడ నుంచి మీరు రోటర్ ఫ్రీక్వెన్సీని మీన్స్ రోటర్ స్పీడ్ ని కనుక క్యాలిక్యులేషన్ చేస్తే మనకి రోటర్ స్పీడ్ ని మనం క్యాలిక్యులేషన్ చేసుకోవాలి. సో దాని నుంచి సింక్రోనస్ స్పీడ్ ని ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేయండి. ఏ ఫ్రీక్వెన్సీ దగ్గర, ఎట్ ఫ్రీక్వెన్సీ 50 దగ్గర. సో ఏమొస్తుంది 50/3 ఇంటూ by total number of poles is 4. So 3 4s are so 10s are means speed ఎంత వస్తుంది 500 rpm which is a synchronous speed. So సెకండ్ దానికి synchronous speed ఎంత వచ్చింది అంటే 500 rpm. సో మనం ఏం ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేయాలి, రోటర్ స్పీడ్ ని ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేయాలి. సో దానికి ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేయడానికి సో ఆన్సర్ ఏం వస్తుందంటే మీకు ఎగ్జాక్ట్ ఆన్సర్ వస్తుంది 493.3 వస్తుంది. మీరు ns2 nr2/ns2 సో ns2 మీకు ఆల్రెడీ 500 ఉంది. ఈ వాల్యూని మనం ఆల్రెడీ క్యాలిక్యులేషన్ చేసేసాం. సో ఆన్సర్ వచ్చి 493.3 నథింగ్ బట్ ఆన్సర్ వచ్చి డి వస్తుంది. సో నెక్స్ట్ క్వశ్చన్, a DC step up chopper has a resistive load of 10 ohms. Load resistance ఇచ్చారు 10 ohms and input voltage ఇచ్చారు 220 volts. Average output current ఇచ్చారు 33 amperes. Find the duty cycle అడుగుతున్నారు. సో find the duty cycle అడుగుతున్నారు. సో ఇక్కడ చూడండి, లోడ్ రెసిస్టెన్స్ ఇచ్చాడు, నెక్స్ట్ లోడ్ అవుట్పుట్ కరెంట్ ఇచ్చాడు, which means that మనం అవుట్పుట్ వోల్టేజ్ ని క్యాలిక్యులేట్ చేయొచ్చు. సో V0 ఈక్వల్స్ టు ఏమొస్తుంది 330. సో VDC ఎంత ఇచ్చారు, VDC ఈక్వల్ టు 220. మరి which type of చోపర్ అంటున్నారు, స్టెప్ అప్ చోపర్. స్టెప్ అప్ చోపర్ యొక్క V0 ఈక్వల్స్ టు ఏమొస్తుంది VDC డివైడెడ్ బై 1 మైనస్ D. ఇందులో V0 వచ్చి 330, VDC వచ్చి 220 డివైడెడ్ బై 1 మైనస్ D చేస్తే మీకు ఆన్సర్ వచ్చి 1/3 వస్తుంది. సో ఆన్సర్ వచ్చి 1/3. ఆన్సర్ ఫర్ 60 సెకండ్ ఈజ్ 1/3. నెక్స్ట్ 63rd క్వశ్చన్ చూడండి. ఇన్ 63rd క్వశ్చన్ లో సింగిల్ ఫేజ్ హాఫ్ వేవ్ ఏసీ వోల్టేజ్ రెగ్యులేటర్ అన్నాడు. సో సింగిల్ ఫేజ్ హాఫ్ వేవ్ ఏసీ వోల్టేజ్ రెగ్యులేటర్ అంటే ఫస్ట్ మీకు అవుట్పుట్ వోల్టేజ్ ఈక్వేషన్ గుర్తుండాలి. సో V0 ఈక్వల్స్ టు Vm బై 2 రూట్ పై ఇంటూ 2 పై మైనస్ ఆల్ఫా ప్లస్ సైన్ 2 ఆల్ఫా బై 2 whole to the power of 1/2. So Vm by 2 root pi into 2 pi minus alpha plus sin 2 alpha by 2 whole to the power of 1/2. సో ఇక్కడ మనకి ఫైరింగ్ యాంగిల్ ఎక్కడ నుంచి ఎక్కడికి అంటున్నారండి 0 to 180 మీన్స్ ఆల్ఫా 0 పెట్టుకున్నప్పుడు వాట్ ఇస్ ద అవుట్పుట్ వోల్టేజ్, ఆల్ఫా 30 డిగ్రీస్ పెట్టుకున్నప్పుడు వాట్ ఇస్ ద అవుట్పుట్ వోల్టేజ్ అని అడుగుతున్నారు. సో ఆల్ఫా 0 పెడితే ఇది 0, sin 0 is 0. So nothing but ఇక్కడ ఏం మిగులుతుంది Vm by 2 root pi into root 2 pi value. So Vm equals to ఏం రాసుకోవచ్చు root 2 into Vs. So root 2 into Vs. So ఇక్కడ root pi root 2 get cancel. మీకు ఏం ఉంటుంది అంటే ఓన్లీ V వాల్యూ ఉంటుంది. సో ఓన్లీ V. నెక్స్ట్ వన్, నెక్స్ట్ కేస్ లో సిమిలర్లీ ఆల్ఫా ఈక్వల్ టు 180 సబ్స్టిట్యూట్ చేయండి. సో ఆల్ఫా ఈక్వల్ టు ఇదే ఫార్ములాలో మీరు 180 సబ్స్టిట్యూట్ చేస్తే మీకు V/√2 వస్తుంది. సో ఆన్సర్ వచ్చి V2 V/√2. Next, pick up the correct symbol means symbol with a terminal of gate turn off thyristor. So gate turn off thyristor యొక్క సింబల్ ని పిక్ చేయమంటున్నాడు. సో గేట్ టర్న్ ఆఫ్ థైరిస్టర్ అంటే which turn on with a positive gate current and turn off with a negative gate current. ఇక్కడ మీరు టెర్మినల్స్ కూడా చూసుకోండి, యానోడ్ క్యాథోడ్, క్యాథోడ్ యానోడ్ కాబట్టి ఇది డెఫినెట్లీ రాంగ్, ఇది రాంగ్. నెక్స్ట్ యానోడ్ కాథోడ్ బట్ గేట్ కూడా ఇచ్చాడు బట్ డెఫినెట్లీ ఇక్కడ మనకి ఒక లైన్ అనేది ఇండికేషన్ చేయాలి సో అప్పుడే మనకి అది గేట్ టర్న్ ఆఫ్ థైరిస్టర్ లాగా యాక్ట్ అవుతుంది సో ఆన్సర్స్ ఆఫ్ 64 వచ్చి ఆన్సర్ ఈజ్ ఏ next 65th question so three phase inverter is operating in a 120 degree mode of operation with a star connected resistive load for any given circuit so three phases inverter circuit లో మనకి two modes of operation ఉంటుంది ఒకటి 180 degree mode ఒకటి next 120 degree mode ఒకటి so 180 degree mode లో at a time three thyristors comes into means three switches అనేది యాక్టివేట్ అవుతూ ఉంటాయి అదే 120 డిగ్రీ మోడ్ లో ఏంటి అంటే ఓన్లీ 2 స్విచెస్ మాత్రమే యాక్టివేట్ అవుతాయి సో ఈ 2 స్విచెస్ యాక్టివేట్ అవుతున్నాయి సో ఐదర్ ఆప్షన్ ఏ గాని ఆప్షన్ సి గాని నెక్స్ట్ ఇక్కడ ఫేజ్ వోల్టేజ్ వచ్చి మనకి 3 ఫేజ్ ఇన్వర్టర్ 120 డిగ్రీ మోడ్ లో క్వాసీ స్క్వేర్ వేవ్ ఉంటుంది బట్ ఇక్కడ లైన్ వోల్టేజ్ మాత్రం 6 స్టెప్డ్ వేవ్ ఫార్మ్ ఉంటుందన్నమాట సో ఆన్సర్ ఫర్ 65th క్వశ్చన్ వచ్చి సి సో ఇవి పవర్ ఎలక్ట్రానిక్స్ క్వశ్చన్ కి సంబంధించింది సో రిమైనింగ్ క్వశ్చన్స్ వచ్చి రాజశేఖర్ సార్ వచ్చి డీల్ చేస్తారు
ఎస్ సార్ రిమైనింగ్ చూద్దాం ఒకసారి మనం right guys once you see this question sorry this question paper is like the students who send me like this once you see this first question what they gave in the power system they asked maximum rate of rise of restriking voltage maximum rate of rise of restriking voltage what is the formula sir the maximum rate of rise of restriking voltage sorry they asked not maximum I'm sorry average rate of rise of restriking voltage they asked that average rate of rise of restriking voltage 2 Vm by pi root Lc. 2 Vm by pi root Lc. From that, they given the voltage in RMS value. We have to convert into maximum value. Then after they given natural frequency omega n. Omega n is equals to 1 by 2 pi root Lc. 1 by 2 pi root Lc. Here they given one is the maximum voltage 10 kilovolts and the natural frequency of 10 kilohertz. Natural frequency of 10 kilohertz. Then the average rate of rise of restriking voltage is equals to 2 Vm by pi root Lc. Very important for every competitive examination. From that we have to substitute here 10 kilovolts into root 3 because the maximum value. And from this calculate root Lc. Root Lc is equals to 1 by 2 pi into omega n. Substitute the value of omega n 10 kilohertz. Here frequency, right? So substitute the value of frequency. F is equals to, sorry, this is not omega n, F, right? F is equals to 1 by 2 pi Lc, right? Very good. Very good. So 2 into Vm, root 2 into 10 kilovolts upon, from this Fn is equals to 1 by 2 pi into root Lc. From that I have to calculate the root Lc value. If you substitute these values, directly you will get like a 565.6 volts per microseconds. But we have to convert into kilovolts and microseconds, right? Kilovolts and microseconds, right? That's why 0.5656 kilovolts per microseconds is the answer. Simply this is a memory based question. Actually you have to know the equation for average rate of rise of restriking voltage, that is 2 Vm by pi root Lc. But generally without calculators this is not possible to calculate root Lc first thing. Even though if you have a calculator, 2 into root 2 into 10 kilovolts upon pi into root Lc, really clumsy. Okay, of course this is not our diploma level first question. In our paper B set, somewhat different question paper is there, of course. Right, okay, let's go for next one. This is the option D is the correct answer. And next one, what is this question? The second question, they given that this is like a bipolar. This is like a bipolar device. In this, the answer is pure DC voltage is the correct answer, sir. The answer is pure DC voltage is the correct answer. The answer is pure DC voltage is the correct answer. In this, the answer is pure DC voltage. Once I will read the question also, no problem. Once I will read the question. What is the second question? They given in the B set. The second question they given in the B set. To protect the generator rotor from second ground fault, which of the following voltages is applied between field circuit and the ground? Generally field circuit. The field winding should be given by the DC supply. So in this the only answer is only DC voltage is most preferable answer. Only DC voltage is most preferable answer, sir. This is the second question. And third question. Indicate a wrong statement from the following. Indicate a wrong statement from the following. What they given? Bajaj relay is connected between bottom of the transformer tank and conservator. Is it? Where we connected? This is the previously asked question in SPDCL 2018, I think last time. Sub-engineering SPDCL, they asked the same question, same points, 4 points are there. Which of the following is not correct? They asked the same question again. Here also same question. So generally the Bajaj relay is connected in between main tank and conservator tank, but not bottom of the main tank. Above the main tank and below the conservator tank is the correct answer. So option A is the wrong statement. Option A is the wrong statement. What about option B? Option B, Bachau's relay connected between top of the transformer tank and conservator is right. Match price used for differential production. Match price production used for transformer and alternators. That is 100% correct answer. That is 100% correct answer. So option A is the wrong statement. Coming to fourth one. Indicate the correct and or incorrect statements for transmission relays. For relays, they asked the correct and incorrect. So third one is the option A is the wrong statement. Coming to fourth one, option B is the correct answer. What they given option B here? What they given option B here? 1 and 2 are the true. What they given 1, more relays are suitable for long transmission lines. More relays are ultimately suitable for long transmission lines. And impedance relays are suitable for moderate transmission lines. Moderate, nothing but medium transmission lines. Those two are the correct answer exactly. Are true, of course. And 3, 4 also is there, but based on the options, we can go for that. That is the suitable answer. And let's go for next one. I will give you this numerical question. I will give you the explanation. Sir will give you. Now let's go for the next question. Here, let's see this question. This is the question asked in junior lineman. The same type of question. Here, somewhat tricky question. They asked now somewhat tricky question. Here they asked somewhat tricky question. So what they given? What they given here? What they given here? Want to see? Calculate the power supplied by the battery. Calculate the power supplied by the battery for a UPS of 10 kVA with an inductive load of 0.81 power factor. Assuming efficiency of inverter 90%. Efficiency output upon input. Output upon input. I want to calculate the input. So input is equals to output upon efficiency. What is my output here? 10 kilowatt, 10 kVA. But I want in terms of kilowatts. So multiplied with power factor 0.81 upon. What is the efficiency they given? 90%, nothing but 0.9. 0.9. Now can you tell me what is the answer? Exact answer? Can you tell me, guys, what is the exact answer here? From this, can you tell me which is the correct answer? Give the response, guys. Give the response. Which is the correct answer? Did you tell me which is correct answer from this? Which is correct answer? If you do this, you will get 9,000 watts or 9 kilowatts. If you do this, you will get 9,000 watts or 9 kilowatts. This is the correct answer generally. You can get easily this question also. Next one. This is seventh one. Microcontroller. Sir not available actually, but sir given the answer. For this, the answer seventh one is option A, and the eighth one is option C. Eighth one is option C. Seventh one is in the 80 microcontroller. The number of 8-bit resistors and 16-bit resistor. Of course, you know very well. I think this one. Number of 8-bit resistors and 16-bit resistors are 13 and 2 respectively. 16-bit resistors, I think you know very well. Very good, Uday. Right, Amma. Next one, the pin numbers of plus VCC and ground for the 8255 interfacing devices. They asked one question. Okay, one question from a controller, one question from interfacing devices. Here the answer is 26th and 7th one is the answer. And next one, another question they asked generally here two questions from estimation, etc. Electrical estimation. Two questions from electrical estimation. What is that? Players. We are called generally cutting players, right? In general, we are using cutting pliers. The pliers can be used for dash of wires and cables. Can you expect what is the question, sir? Can you expect what is the question? Only for cutting? Cutting pliers, it is called. Pliers are used for cutting. Only twisting and bending. Yes, we are going to twist by using the pliers and bend. And only holding and gripping, we are using for holding and gripping also. So which is the correct answer, sir? Ultimately, option D is the correct answer. All of the above is the correct answer. Very good, Sharat, very good, Samanthi. Right now. So, generally, when the question paper is like this, like a somewhat tough comparatively, don't make a mistakes like a silly questions. If you are perfect like a questions which are very easy, then you will get the job, sir. Generally, that is the thing in competitive examinations. That is the thing in competitive examinations. Sanjay, are you sure? Are you sure? Actually, sir given like that. Once I will discuss with that. Before ending this session, I will give you clarity, Sanjay. Right? Next one, 10th one. The symbol for representing an exhaust fan. Can you anyone? What is the answer, sir? Actually, the exhaust fan's symbol is like this also. Actually, even I saw like this. Even exhaust fan symbol like this also. We can say we can represent like this also. As well as we can represent like this also. But actually, I saw in many conditions the exhaust fan symbol is like this. Okay. Now here the answer is option A. And next one, this is the 11th question. Once I have to check this one. Actually, something is missing. Data is missing. Just they given radius and area. Now they are asking that luminous flux. Luminous flux they are asking, nothing they given from the resonance diagram. Actually, this is. So once I will check and I will give the answer for this. But the next question, 12th question is very easy. The 12th question is very easy. Two lamps posted 20 meters, posted 20 meters apart, fitted with candela power of 100 cp each. Candela power of 100 cp each at a height of 15 meters. At a height of 15 meters. The illumination directly under each lamp. I want to calculate illumination under each lamp. I want to calculate illumination under each lamp. Sir, can you expect what is the answer? I said you many times in our classes also, 100% they will give you numerical of this type. But they introduced two lamps which are separated by 20 meters apart. Now they are asking illumination of this point for each lamp. That is simple question. For illumination below the lamp, E is equals to Cp upon H square. Then what is the answer? Illumination E is equals to Cp. What is the Cp? They given 100 upon H square, 15 square, 15 multiplied with 15. What is the answer, sir? You have to calculate 15 now. 6 are 90. 15 6 are 90 and 4. 15 2s are 30 and again and 6 2 again etc. And 0 point nothing but 62 nothing but 4 again 62 4 again 62 4. So the answer is 0.44 lux. What is the answer? 0.44 lux is the answer for this. Really, this is very easy question. Right? The 12th question. Next 13th question also from the combination of transformer and electrical heating, actually the arc performance numerical problem. Once I have to refer this question also, I will give you before by ending this session. I am coming to this 14th one. I given you some notes In that, even I explained you in class also. TIG and MIG very important actually. They will ask you questions from TIG and MIG. TIG and MIG. TIG is nothing but tungsten inert gas arc welding, and MIG nothing but metal inert gas arc welding. MIG is nothing but metal inert gas arc welding. So TIG, tungsten inert gas arc welding. This is not a gas welding, of course. Tungsten inert gas welding. Tungsten is the electrodes, inert gas used to protect the welding. That is the arc welding. This is a type of arc welding. Very easy question. Next, 15th question. 15th question. We done one numerical in our class, the same question. So here, the 15th question, they given that the quadrilateral curve is there. The quadrilateral curve is there like this. Its upper speed given as 72 kilometers per hour. After the coasting, the speed is given as 18 kilometers per hour. And they given the accelerating time 30 seconds and coasting time 120 seconds and braking time 20 seconds. Now calculate the total distance covered by the train. Distance nothing but the area under the curve. Distance nothing but the area under the curve. Distance nothing but the area under the curve. Right? So how we can calculate the area? Nothing but this is half into base into height. Half into base into height. This is length into width. Half into base into height. Half into base into height. If you calculate half into base into height, for example, here I calculate only first one. Half into base is the 30 and height is the 72 upon 3600, because we have to convert into kilometers, right? So this 36 ones are 36 twos are. This 2 gets cancelled, and here 2 zeros. 0 gets cancelled. 3 by 10, nothing but 0.3 kilometers. Here 0.3 kilometers. Here some kilometers. Here some kilometers. If you calculate all those area, you will get 1.85 kilometers. 1.85 kilometers is our answer. This is also very easy question from traction. This is also very easy question from traction. Right? And next one, a 10-bit A to D converter has a 10 millivolts resolution. What is the full scale input? If you calculate this one, that is 2 to the power of n, 2 to the power of n minus 1, nothing but 1024 minus 1, 1024 minus 1, 1023, and that one 10 millivolts. From that, if you calculate easily, you will get option B is the answer. 16th one, option B is the answer. Right? Next one. Next one, 16th question. Then after 17th question, Ramana sir already done this question, and sir gave me some answer that 17th one is, once I will check it. Actually, sir done this question. 17th one is option B. You will get option B as the answer. You will get option B answer. So for 17th, option B is the correct answer. For 17th, option B is the correct answer. And for 18th, really this is very simple question. Let's see, guys, who are feeling this is very difficult. Who are feeling this is very difficult. Like some easy questions are there. These easy questions, who cleared with confidence, who cleared 100% accurate, they will get the job, sir, no doubt. Here the toughness is equal for all, but the easiness also equal for all, but the confusionness is not equal for all. Who will confuse more? Who will put the wrong answers? They will get the less marks. Who will put the correct answers? They will get the more marks. They will get the job. Here, see, guys, even though when the question paper is like this, even though for same marks will come many people, even though if you got 60 62 marks, that 62 marks will come for nearly 100 people. It may be nearly at least of 10 to 20 people. Then if the 62 is the cutoff, the first 10 members will get the job because of age factor, like that. So you have to try to utilize every one easy question. Then you will get the job generally. Then you will get the job. So let's see what is the answer for 18th question, sir. Can you give the answer? For 18th question, can you give me the answer? For 18th question, can you give me the answer? 18th question, what is the answer, guys? For 18th question, if you do this, double 126, 8 for 0, 8 for 1, 8 square, 8 cube, that's it. So 1, 6, this is 8 to the 16, 64, 64 and 8 is 48, nothing but around 526. If you add them, you will get 598 base 10. 598 base 10. Is it right or not? Is it or not? 6, 6, 6, 3 6 18 plus 4. 18 plus 4, 22. So the answer may be 582. The answer may be 582. What is this, sir? 64, 64 8 64 8 8. Sorry, this is 8. So 8 6 6. Nothing but 20 and 64, like that. Calculate it, sir. How much you will get? 1 into 6. 6 plus 8 to the 16 plus 16 plus 64 plus 64 plus 8 64 64 8 64 8 what is the answer? 8 32 2 and 3 and 48 48 plus 3 512, sir. This is 512. 512. Yes, now tell me, sir, which is correct answer? 6 plus 6 12 12 plus 12 plus 4 plus 2 12 plus 6 8. So the units digit should be 8. Units digit should be 8. So this is correct answer. Try to do like this. Don't try to add all those things. 6 plus 16 plus 64 plus 512. Don't add like this. 512 plus 6 plus 16 plus 64. So this is the unit digit, the 2 plus 6 plus 6. 12 plus 2, 14. 14 plus 4, 18. So whatever the unit digit is 8. Then which option having the unit digit of 8? Only option A having the unit digit of 8. Then you will get the answer easily. Right, sir. Next question. What is the answer for next? 18 completed, 20 completed, sir. Yes, PLC. Sir will tell you about PLC and about everything. I will give you clarity again generally about earthing. Next, coming to 23rd. What is TRS? What is TRS? Telangana Rashtra Samiti or Telangana Desha Samiti? That is not right, sir. What is the answer? TRS and CTS, PVC, VIR. First of all, PVC, polyvinyl chloride, not polyvulcanized chloride, polyvinyl chloride. Next one, vulcanized Indian rubber. Vulcanized Indian rubber. Then after TRS, toughened rubber sheathed. So what is the answer? This D is the one. D is the one. Everything having one. And C is the 4. C is the 4. These are the wrong answers. C is the 4. Next one, A is the 6. A is the 6. So option C is the correct answer. Very good, Pavitra. Nice, ma. So then which is the correct answer, sir? Then which is the correct answer, sir? Of course, option A having 4 and option C having 4. But here, this is also 4, this is also 4. This is okay. So what about B? CTS. Yes, we have to concentrate on CTS, right? So cab tire. One C. Yes, very good, Here, this is also same. This is also same. This is also same. This is also same. What about the CTS? The CTS. The 23rd is option A. Option A is 100% correct, ma'am. Very good, very good. Very good, Pavitra. Option A is the correct answer. What is that? B is the right cap top sheet. Option A is the correct answer. Very nice, very nice. Next one. Next one. What is the 24th question? What is the 24th question? Let's see this. Consider two types of copper wires. 3 out of 20 and 7 out of 22. How many strands are there? They are asking. Generally here, the number of strands of the A is the 3 and diameter of A is more than B. How it is more than B? Here 22 is there and here 20 is there. Number of strands of the B is 7, okay. Diameter of the B is more than A, that's it. So option B is the correct answer, sir. 24th is the option B. 24th is the option B. 24th is the option B. Yes. Next one. Next one again some PLC. I will give you later about DC shunt. About DC shunt generator. Here DC shunt generator. See DC shunt motor. I will read the question. Let's see, sir. A DC shunt motor starter has 6 steps. How many steps are there? 6 steps are there. So I have to calculate RA, R1, R2, R3, R4 and R5. Totally 6 steps are there. They given armature resistance of 0.5 and R1 is equals to K times of RA, R2 is equals to K times K square times of RA, R3 is equals to K cube of RA and K power 4 of RA, K square, K cube and K power 5 into RA like this. You have to calculate like this. How we can calculate like this? So this is 0.5. This is K. What is K, sir? K is the given the maximum current to minimum current ratio 2. 2 times of 0.1 is the 1. 4 times 2 and 8 times 4 and 16 times 8 and 32 times 16. Sir, can you calculate this? How much, sir? 16, 28, 30, 31.5. Is there? Yes. 31.5 is the answer. What is the answer? 31.5 is the answer for this question. Really, this is also not our standards actually. Of course, the procedure is easy, but that remembering is difficult. The remembering is difficult. We don't know these generally formulae. Right, whatever. Next, Hopkinson test. In our class, in tests, I gave you only 3 or 4 formulas. In that, this is one of the important formula. The efficiency of motor and generator is equals to square root of the armature current of generator upon armature current of motor. Efficiency is equals to square root of Ig by Ia. Yes or no, guys? What they given in Hopkinson test? In Hopkinson test, two identical DC machines. If the motor current is 21% more than the generator current, motor current is 21% more than the generator current. So what they given here, Ig is Ig only, but the motor current is 21% more than nothing but Ig 121 out of 100. 121% of Ig because 21% more than Ig. Ig cancel. So 100 upon 121 with square root. So the efficiency is equals to square root 100 upon 121, nothing but 10 out of 11. 10 out of 11, nothing but if the denominator is 11, the numerator should be multiplied with 9. So what is the answer? 90.9 90.9% is the answer. 90.9% is the answer. Right, sir? So this is also one of the important question, even though in next two competitive examinations. From the electrical machine, this is one of the tricky question. Next one, what they asked next question, in a single phase energy meter, the magnet which controls the speed of the aluminum disc. Which controls the speed of the aluminum disc? Can you tell me, guys? Which controls the aluminum disc? Can you tell me, guys? Are you here? Are you following, guys? Are you here? Are you following? Yes, tell me, what is the answer? Here, the answer is yes, the braking magnet. Here, the answer is braking magnet. And next one in dynamometer. Next one in dynamometer. This is also an easy question. Actually, direct question. In dynamometer, what they asked? The dynamometer type wattmeter consists of two moving coils A and B. Choose the correct option. Choose the correct option. What you have to take? What you have to take? Yes? Here option B is the correct answer, guys, not C. Here option B is the correct answer. Option B is the correct answer. What is that? A resistance is connected in series with coil A and inductance is connected with B. Resistance is connected with A and inductance is connected in series to B. That is the answer. That is the answer for 29. 29. Next, this is also easy question actually. I think sir explained you the 32 question also. Sir explained you already the 32 question also and 30th question also. The 30th question you know very well. The x intersects and y intersects generally here, but they given differently. That's why which of the following is the correct answer, sir? Option D is the correct answer. 30. 30 option D is the correct answer. 30 option D is the correct answer. And this 31 is very different question, sir. Very different question actually. What they asked, two DC motors are connected in series parallel combination. In traction, two DC series motors are connected in series parallel combination. Here, what is the efficiency they asked with a single motor compared to single motor? The percentage difference in the starting efficiency compared to single motor. When two motors are there, the percentage efficiency is only 66.66 percentage. 66.66 percentage if two motors are there. If four motors are there, remember this point, if four motors are there, 72.72 percentage efficiency. Like that. Generally, if two motors are there, the efficiency is 66.66. And this is 72.72 percentage. So 31 is the option B. 31 is the option B. Next one, 32. 32 is the option A. I think sir given you. Not option A. 32 is the, what is 32? Negative given, right? They given negative. So option C. 32 is the option C. This is not clear to visible, right? If you show like this, you can get easily. This is option C is the correct answer. 32. 32 option C. Next one, UJT 33. 33. Can you tell me, guys, what is the answer for 33? What is the answer for 33? 33 answer is option A, right? 33 option is UJT, right? Cutoff region, negative resistance region and saturation region is the correct answer. 33 is the option A. 33 is the option A. 33 is the option A. Next one, 34. What is the answer for 34? What is the answer for 34? 34 is the option D. This is given by our Check answer. 34 is the option D. 34 is the option D. And 35. Generally, if we go as is, if we go as is, if we go as is, here 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 OR gates we required. 4 OR gates we required. X bar is there, Y bar is there, Z bar is there. So 3 NOT gates we required. 3 NOT gates we required. 3 NOT gates we required. And how many? 5 AND gates we required here. 5 AND gates we required. So, but there is no option of that. But if you simplified that, even though with one OR gate, with one NOT gate, and with like a 3 or 4 AND gates, we can complete this complete circuitry. But here there is no exact option to choose. There is no exact options to choose. We have to wait for official key. Right? Next question. This is the 36th one. The 36th one, Ramana sir gave me that the answer is option A. Option A is the correct answer. The disadvantage of voltage drop and copper losses can be avoided by providing the fault limiting reactor in bus bar section. If we add it in bus bar section, we can avoid that. We can avoid that. And next one, 37. 37. This is the VR and this is the VS, receiving end voltage and sending end voltage. This is the Ferranti effect, right? Ferranti effect. The receiving end voltage is greater than the sending end voltage. So the receiving end voltage minus the ICZ capacity current and impedance gives us the sending end voltage. So option B is the correct answer. This is very easy question. This is very easy question. Right, very good. What about next one? Yeah, three-phase induction motor. Okay. This 38th question. Is it completed?
చేయలేదురా సార్ చూస్తా అన్నాడు ఎవరికి సురేందర్ అంత 3940
Yes, guys, please 1 minute. Just for 1 minute, please. Yes, guys. Just for 1 minute. It will be start now. Yes, guys. Yes. Let's see. What is this? We are talking about the 38th question, right? Induction motor operating in first quadrant. Generally, the motor and this is the motoring mode, this is the reverse motoring mode, this is the generating mode, reverse generating mode, like this we know. In first quadrant, when dynamic braking is applied, generally when dynamic braking is applied, it will be act as a generator. Nothing but it will be acts in fourth quadrant. It will be act now in fourth quadrant, operate in fourth quadrant. Employed by feeding the DC supply tube. Dynamic braking nothing but a small DC supply connected to a stator. A small DC supply connected to a stator. So stator is the correct answer. Fourth quadrant is the correct answer. Fourth quadrant. Here the speed, of course. Here the speed and torque or torque and speed. Here, first of all, stator and fourth quadrant is the correct answer. So option B is the suitable answer here. Now the speed will reverse, of course, because of braking, and the torque is positive, of course. So this is the correct answer for 38th question. Option B is the correct answer. Option B is the correct answer. Option B is the correct answer. Next one, coming to 39. So this is also well-known question actually. Now we have to calculate the slip. Slip is the 5%, right? Because 1% 15, 5% 75. From the 1500, 75 slipped out, nothing but 5% slipped out. Then they given the motor, it stands still. This is the answer. The impedance at the instant of counter braking, nothing but in braking mode. In braking mode, the slip should be 2 minus s. The slip should be 2 minus s. There is no change in the resistance actually. It should be no change in the resistance. It should be no change in the resistance, nothing but this is only the answer. This is only the answer. And of course, the x2 should be s into x2. The x2 is equals to 2 minus s times of x2, 0.2. 2 minus s, nothing but 200 minus 5%, 195%. 195% of 0.2, 195% of 0.2. So what is the answer, guys? If you calculate this, you will get some. This is the 2 by 2, nothing but 200 around just 10, nothing but 390 out of 1000. 0.390, 0.39 should be the answer. So there is no option. There is no option for 39. There is no option for 39. Let's wait for official key. But the resistance should be same, and there is no reactance values, even though there is no option, right? About 40. What about 40? Dynamic braking of DC shunt motor. Input supply is. As can you tell me input supply? Generally dynamic braking nothing but in DC shunt motor. In DC shunt motor, dynamic braking nothing but the armature disconnected from the supply and connected to braking resistance. So disconnected to armature and connection connected to field winding. Yes, correct. Disconnected to both armature and field, wrong. Disconnected to field and reverse connected to armature, wrong. Disconnected to armature. So option A is the correct answer. Option A is the correct answer. Option A is the correct answer. Next one, this is the option D is the correct answer. If we calculate, the resonance frequency should be double. The resonance frequency should be double. So in this case, there is no involvement of resistance actually. The XC doubled and XL armed. When the XC doubled, it will come here. When the XL armed, it will come here 2 times again. So 2 to the 4 times, then the frequency will be doubled. Then the frequency will be doubled. This is actually easy question if you analyze carefully. So option D is the correct answer for this. Option D is the correct answer. How sir? When XL is equals to 2 pi FL, when the XL is doubled, when the XL is halved, what about L? What about L? L also halved, right? L also halved, right? So this is also halved. Okay. What about this one? XC doubled. XC is equals to 1 by 2 pi FC. When the XC doubled, nothing but what happened to C? These are inversely proportional, right? When this is doubled, this is halved. Again, this is also halved. So L by 2, C by 2. LC by 4. LC by 4 with square root. The root 4 will come here, then the frequency will be doubled. Then the frequency will be doubled. Option D is a perfectly correct answer. Option D is perfectly correct answer. Next one, this is 42. If you calculate, you will get option A. The current they given, IB and ICs they given, the value of current at the instant of 120 degrees. Nothing but 2 pi by 3. Radians for the ABC. This is at 0. Omega t plus 0 plus 120. Plus 120 nothing but sine 120 nothing but root 3 by 2. Root 3 by 2 into 200. You will get this one. As usually here plus here minus, because 4 pi by 3 is there. If you this one added to this one, you will get minus 2 pi by 3. If this is plus 173, this should be a minus 173. Okay sir, these two are okay, 120 degrees, that's why root 3 by 2. What about this? Already 90 is there. If you added 120, nothing but like a 30 degrees. Minus 90 plus 120. Minus 90 plus 120, 30 degrees. 30 degrees, sine 30. Sine 30, 1 by 2. 1 by 2 of 200, 100. 1 by 2 of 200 is the 100. So the answer is option A for 42. Option A for 42. Yes. Next one, 43. If you done this, what answer you will get? Is what they given, the equivalent of delta ZAB. The ZAB you want, ZAB is equals to ZA plus ZB plus ZA ZB upon ZC. ZA ZB upon ZC. So what is the answer? J10 plus J20. J10 J20 J30 plus 10. J30 plus 10. J30 plus 10. J30 plus 10. Now what they asked, the total equivalent of ZCB when AB short circuited. When AB short circuited, they want this. This is the 5, and these two are in parallel, right? These two are in parallel, nothing but 10 multiplied with J10 upon 10 plus J10. 10 plus J10. This is the value of this. Now we want this. This is the value of this plus 5. So if you take a common of 10, this 10 will cancel. So just simply J10 upon 1 plus J1 plus 5. By doing cross multiplication, here J10 plus 5 plus J5 upon 1 plus J1, 5 plus J15, 5 plus J15 upon 1 plus J1. We have to do what? That complex conjugate, 1 minus J1 upon 1 minus J1. This is 1 square minus of minus plus 1 square, nothing but simply you will get root 2. Like that, if we calculate, what you will get, the answer is option A. What you will get, the answer is option A, you will get. Somewhat a lengthy question actually. But we have to do. Right? Next one. What is the 44th question? They given W1 and W2, total reactive power. Many people will do the mistake here. The reactive power is nothing but W1 minus W2 is 100% wrong answer. What is the correct answer? Root 3 terms of W1 minus W2 is the correct answer, because during the tan phi actually reactive power by active power. Tan phi nothing but, for example, phi is there, this is S, this is P, this is Q. What is tan? Tan nothing but opposite by adjacent. Q by P, reactive power by active power. What is the reactive power? You know tan phi is equals to root 3 W1 minus W2 by W1 plus W2, right? From that, root 3 times of W1 minus W2, 1350 minus of minus 150, 1500. 1500 multiplied with 1.732. 1500 multiplied with 1.732. Which is correct answer? Nearly 2 times. Not 200%, 173%. 173%. We can calculate, but even though we can get the answer directly. Very good, Sharath. Very good, very good. Very good. Next one. So tell me, guys, what about 45th? Why we are using the capacitor here? Why we are using the capacitor? The swamping resistance is connected in the moving coil. Iron meter. Moving coil of moving iron meter. Choose the correct statement. Capacitance is connected in shunt with swamping resistance, in series with swamping resistance. Two options are there. To reduce the frequency errors or to reduce the temperature errors. So which is correct answer, Sharath? Srinivas, everyone, give the answer, guys. Give the answer, guys. Which is correct answer? 45B, Srinivasu. Anyone? Sharath, which is correct answer? Generally, the capacitance, whatever the meter is there, the swamping resistance is there, the capacitor is connected like this. This is connected in shunt. This is connected in shunt. Very good. This is connected in. This is connected in shunt. Only one is there. Yes, here also is there. Only connected in shunt. Then what to reduce? I am not asking what to reduce the swamping resistance. I am asking what to reduce this capacitor. This capacitor used to reduce. Of course, the swamping resistance used to reduce the temperature error, but the capacitor used to reduce what? The capacitor used to reduce what? Yes? Anyone have an idea? The capacitor used to reduce. The capacitor used to reduce. The swamping resistance used to reduce the temperature errors is okay, but the capacitor used to reduce the frequency error. Very good, Pavitra. Right? Next question. Next question. This is the another tricky question actually. Another tricky question actually. The speed characteristics of AC series motor and DC series motor. AC series motor nothing but AC series motor nothing but a DC series motor which is given by AC supply. A DC series motor which is given by AC supply. Here the speed characteristics. You have to remember one thing. The speed for DC value is greater than the speed for AC value. So here the speed for DC should be greater than the AC. Speed for DC should be greater than the AC. Of course, sir. But here AC is here, here DC is here. Here DC is here, here AC is here. Which is correct answer now? Now from this, which of the following is the correct answer? Generally, of course, there is no any tricky like that. Generally, we have to take the option C, sir. Generally, we have to take the option C, sir. Very good ideal transformer. Very good. Very good. Very good, Shiva. Very good. Right? So, even I given you this in universal motor. In universal motor, I given you this diagram. Yeah, this is another question. This is another question. Yes. Actually, here also some trick they apply. Some trick they apply. Okay. So once I will discuss this question later. I will discuss this question later. Once go for next question. I will give you clarity before ending this session. Next one. Here, which of the following is the correct answer? Here, which of the following is the correct answer from the power system? Option B is the correct answer for this. The thermodynamic efficiency of boiled water reactor is less than the pressurized water reactor. Boiled water reactor is Balled water reactor is less than the pressurized water reactor. This is also very important, sir. Actually, the plant utilization factor, the plant utilization factor, the plant use factor. Yes, plant use factor. Plant use factor. What is the answer? Actually, Ramana sir already gave me. Yes, this is also Ramana sir gave me already answer. What is the answer for this question? Answer for 49th question is option C. Actual energy generated upon capacity of the plant by being multiplied with number of plants is actually operation during the period. So option C is the correct answer, guys. Here 49th option C is the correct answer. Very good, Vamshi Krishna. Very good. Very good. Next one. Next one. 50. Actually, I have to do this. Even though you can do easily, sir. I didn't calculated this, but you can calculate easily. A three-phase 45 kilowatts induction motor. Nothing but for each phase 15 kilowatts. Three phase, that's why for each phase 15 kilowatts. 90% of efficiency, 90% they given, and power factor of 0.866 lagging. Power factor they given 0.866 lagging. Actually, here they given efficiency also 90%. First calculate for this. This is the 15 kilowatts. Sorry, take the reverse. Take the reverse. For example, if you take like this, for example, this is 15 kilowatts each, and this is 0.866, nothing but root 3 by 2. Where you can get root 3 by 2 at 60 degrees? At 60 degrees, this is 15. We have to calculate this reactive power. Then after, we have to do that unity power factor. Unity power factor. Unity power factor, nothing but we have to take here the reactive power which is equal to this one. Which is equal to this one. Then only if this is a negative or positive reactive power, the same negative reactive power is there, both gets cancelled each other, then the active power only the power, then the power factor angle is 0 and the power factor is unity power factor. To get the unity power factor, how much reactive power is there, that much of reactive power we have to add here. So first, what is the reactive power here? I know the adjacent, I know the angle, I have to know the opposite. So tan theta, tan 60 nothing but root 3 is equals to opposite by adjacent. So Q is equals to 15 root 3, there is no option. 15 root 3, there is no option. So now we have to take this 90% of efficiency. Then we have to calculate here. 90%, nothing but 90%. Efficiency is equals to 90%. We have to take 90% of this one. Simply efficiency they given 90%. 90% of 45. How much, sir? 90% of 45. 9 5s are 40.5. 40.5 by 3. We have to take this 40.5 by 3. 3 ones are 10. 3 threes are 15. 13.5. So 13.5 multiplied with the root 3. 13.5 multiplied with the root 3 here. Tan 60 root 3. So root 3 is equals to opposite by adjacent. So Q is equal to multiply of this. So I will check it. Like this we have to calculate the reactive power. But the reactive power here should be equal to this one. The reactive power here should be equal to this one. That is the thing actually. So how much you will get? 11.78 kVAR. Is it 11.78 kVAR? 11.78 kVAR. Is it? Once I will check this. Once I will check this. Next one. This is also electrostatics actually. I will give you the clarity about this one. And this one very easy. You will get the answer easily. You will get the answer easily. You will get the answer easily. And this is also you will get the answer easily. And this is also you will get the answer easily. What they given, sir? Two coils having mutual inductance of 0.8 connected in series opposition equivalent. So L1 plus L2 plus 2M. 2M nothing but 1.6 is equals to 0.45. Nothing but L1 plus L2 is equals to, sorry, this is a series opposing, right? They given in series opposing. When this is series opposing, minus 1.6 is equals to 0.45. Now L1 plus L2 is equal to 1.6, 0.45, 2.05. L1 plus L2 is equals to 0.2.05. Now calculate the equivalent inductance when they are connected in parallel. When they are connected in parallel, the L equivalent is equals to L1 L2 minus M square upon L1 plus L2. So they are connected in parallel, of course, in parallel adding or parallel opposing. We don't know, but we have to take here. They given already for opposing, right? So here we have to take minus 2M. Minus 2M, nothing but those are added in additive manner, parallel additive manner. What is L1, L2? They given calculate the inductance. They are connected in parallel, assuming product of two inductance is unity. So L1, L2 unity minus M square. M square nothing but 0.8 whole square upon this value already we know 0.45. If you do this, you will get this answer. You will get this answer. 0.8 is the answer. You will get 0.8 as the answer. 0.8 as the answer. Yes, that is the answer for this question. Next one. Next one. What is the answer for this question, sir? Once see. What is the answer for this question? Okay, let's see this question. Let's see this question. Actually, indicate the correct statement of effect of armature reaction on DC generator. Demagnetization decreases the generated EMF. Exactly. Demagnetization distorts the main flux. Distort the main flux. Of course. Let's see. Let's check remaining. Cross magnetization causes sparking at the brushes. Yes, this is sparking at the brushes. Cross magnetization increase with increase in armature current. When armature current increases, armature reaction will increases. When armature current increases, armature flux will increases. When the armature flux increases, the cross magnetization also increases. Option A is true and B is false. Option B is true and C is false. Option C is true and D is false. Option D is true and A is false. 100% A is the correct answer. A is true only. Option C also 100% true. Option C also 100% true. So option B false or option D false? Which is the false statement? Demagnetization will distort the main flux. Yes, it will distort the main flux, right? And cross magnetization increases with increase in armature current. When armature current increases, generally when armature current increases, nothing but it may go into leading or lagging stage. At unity power factor, of course, the armature current is minimum. At unity power factor, the armature current is minimum. At that condition, purely cross magnetization. But when armature current increases, nothing but it may go into either leading load or lagging load. It may be generator or motor. If it is a generator, it going to in lagging load. If it is a motor, it going to in leading load. So option D is maybe wrong statement from this. Because at unity power factor, when the armature current is minimum, that is pure cross magnetization. But when magnetizing or demagnetizing nothing but power factor decreasing nothing but actually the armature current increasing, at that case the cross magnetization not increasing. So option D is the false statement. Option D is the false statement. You have to analyze, sir. So 55. Actually, we have to do this problem. I will do this problem and I will come here again. I will do this problem. Next, this is a very easy question, sir. Actually, this is very easy question, sir. Actually, 56. Here, three-phase transformer has 600 primary and 150 secondary turns. If the supply voltage is 1.5 kV, determine the secondary line voltage on no load when the windings are connected in delta star. For example, delta star. In delta star, what is transformation ratio K? E2 by E1, 150 by 600, 1 by 4. K is equals to 1 by 4. The given supply voltage is 15 kV. This is the line voltage, this is the phase voltage. Line voltage and phase voltages are same for delta. This is E1. E2 upon E1 is equals to K. K nothing but 1 by 4 by 15 will come here. E2 is equals to 15 by 4. E2 is equals to 15 by 4, nothing but not 15, sir, 1.5, right? 1.5 by 4, nothing but 1500 by 4, nothing but 1500 by 4. But this is the phase voltage of the secondary, not line voltage. What is the line voltage? This is the star multiplied with root 3. 1500 nothing but 3s are 12, 3s are 12, 30, 30 nothing but 7s are 20, 20 nothing but 5, 375 into root 3. 375 is the wrong answer. 216 is the wrong answer. So this may be correct answers. This may be correct answers. The line voltages of the star. So option B and option C confirm. What about star delta? In star delta, in star, the line voltage is 1.5, then the phase voltage is 1.5 upon root 3, then E2 is equals to 1.5 upon root 3 upon 4, nothing but 1500 by root 3 by 4, nothing but 4 ones are 4, 375 are 375 by root 3, 375 by root 3. That is what the phase voltage of delta. The phase voltage of delta 375 by root 3. What about the line voltage? In delta, phase voltage is equals to line voltage. Delta phase voltage is equals to line voltage. So 375 upon root 3. 375 wrong answer. Option B is the correct answer. No need to calculate, you can get the answer. No need to calculate. Next one. Next one, 58. 58. Match the following. The necessary condition I have given you in classroom also. So generally the necessary condition is that same polarity. Otherwise dead short circuits will take place. But the essential condition is that this is the essential condition. If the per unit impedance is same, that is advantageous generally. Then based on that it will share the load. If the per unit impedance is same, they will share the equal load. If the per unit impedance is same, when the per unit impedance is same, they will share the equal load. That's why this is the essential condition. But the necessary condition is that polarity. Polarity must and should be same. Polarity must and should be same. So A is the 3, B is the 4. Very good, very good, very good, very good. Very good. Next one. This question everyone will do. No doubt. In the transformer OC test I given you. In the transformer OC test I given you. Here the F, Here the W, no load losses by F, like this. This is the some point A I given you, but here what they given, and C is the intercept on y-axis. This is taken as the C, and M is the slope. This is the slope M. Y is equals to mx plus C. Y is equals to mx plus C. This is the x-axis. That's right. So W is equals to mf square plus CF. mf square plus CF. mf square CF. mf square CF. Both are there. What they asked you? Hysteresis and eddy current losses. Hysteresis losses depends on frequency. Eddy current losses depends on frequency square. This is the answer. This is the answer. Right? Next one. Next one. Damper winding in synchronous machine. Damper winding in synchronous machine do not carry any current at synchronous speed. 100% correct answer. Current carry when the load changes. When the load changes, generally when the load changes, it is not required. When the sudden load changes, it is required. When sudden load changes, it is required. When sudden excitation changes, it is required. When sudden primary input changes, it is required. So, when current carries, when load changes is not correct. It is called squirrel cage winding. Of course, generally we are using in squirrel cage machine, not in slip ring. Yes or no, guys? Where we are using the damper winding? In slip ring induction machine, why we need damper winding? If you want to increase the starting torque by adding extra resistance, we can. So that is not used. So of course, this is maybe correct answer. Consists of thin copper wires. When the thin copper wires, thin, nothing but area less, nothing but high resistance. Yes, high resistive. So which is correct answer? Option B is the false. Option B is the false. Option D is not false. Option B is the true. Option B is the true. No, option B is the false. I said option B is the false. So this is the correct answer. This is the correct answer. Very simple. Next. So Sir already gave you all these questions. So what is the 66th question? Actually, this is lengthy question. Sir gave me already. So this is the option D. Once go through that. This is the option D. Superposition theorem. They asked a finally question which is a lengthy question. Even in that, if you are trying to read all these questions in your exam, okay. So right. So this is the trick. This is the trick. What is the trick, sir? Just linear bilateral. Linear unilateral, of course linear bilateral, of course linear unilateral. Of course like that also we can. Right, very good. Next, option D. Actually, if you have a calculator, this is easy, sir. Otherwise, this is really very lengthy question, sir. Really very lengthy question. 4 resistors are connected. 4 resistors are connected in parallel. 3, 4, 5, 7. And another resistance also is there. Now what they asked, what is the value of next resistor to get the total value? Conductance is 2. 2 is equals to 1 by 3 plus 1 by 4 plus 1 by 5 plus 1 by 7 plus another value G I don't know. So G is equals to 2 minus 0.33 minus 0.25 minus 0.2 minus 1 by 7. 1 by 7 how much, sir? 1 by 7. 0. Nothing but 10. 7 ones are 7. So 3 is there. 3 is there. Choose a 3 is a no 3. 2. Finally take the 3. No, approximately 3. That is 0.13. Like that we have to calculate. 0.33, 0.25, 58, 0.2, 78, 88, 0.88 plus 0.3, 0.9 change remove. 0.9 change remove from the 2. Oh God. Really, our tricks will not applicable here. Our tricks will not applicable here. So if you do this, you will get answer of 1.07. If you do this, you will get the answer of 1.07. Next, oh, this is from batteries. Of course, easy question. Of course, easy question. 10 cells are connected, each of 2 ohms. Internal resistance I don't know. Provided a current of 4 amperes. So what is the current formula for series? I is equals to 10 multiplied with 2. I nothing but 4 amperes. 4 amperes is equals to 10 multiplied with 2 upon N into R. I don't know. 10 into R plus 3. So this is 2 ones are 2 twos are 2 ones are 2 fives are. So 5 is equals to 10 R plus 3. So R is equals to 0.2. Internal resistance I calculated. Now when these are connected in parallel, 10 into 2 upon 10 into 0.2 plus 3. Sorry, what is that? 0.2 plus 10 into 3, because this is a parallel combination. So 20 upon 30.2. 20 upon 30.2. 20 upon 30.2. Mostly 2 by 3. Mostly 2 by 3. So you may get this answer. You may get this answer. So you will get 0.667 is the answer, or 0.663. Which value you will get? Really, this is not fair. This is really 20 upon 30.2. Yeah, option A is the correct answer, guys. Option A is the correct answer, guys. Really. Okay. If 20 by 30 is there, option B. But small change is there. We have to observe that small change. This is the question paper for ISRO scientists like that, not for sub-engineering job. Yes, Manohar. Yes, Manohar. Right, Manohar. You are right. Right, sir. Next question. This is the Biot-Savart's law. I will give the answer for this. For this, the answer is B. Option B. 69th one. Answer is option B. 69th one. Answer is option B. Next. Sir, what is the answer for this? What is the answer for this? Can you anyone tell me? Porcelain, transformer oil, mica. What they asked? Dielectric strength, kilovolts per millimeter at 50 hertz, increasing in order. In generally, porcelain 60 kV for not for millimeter, of course, for centimeter. For transformer oil around 200, mica around 200 and plus. So increasing order nothing but porcelain, transformer oil, mica. Porcelain 60, transformer oil 200 kilovolts per centimeter, mica 200 change, sir. Generally, of course, these may be equal, but in generally mica having high dielectric strength. Next, basically surge arresters. Which is the correct answer, guys? So, basically surge arresters. A condenser in series with the resistor connected between overhead line and direct statement they given you, sir. Direct statement they given you. Yes. What is an inductor in shunt? Surge arrestor is a capacitor, sir, not inductor, sir. That is a capacitor, sir. So what is the correct answer, guys? Option A is the correct answer. Next, surge impedance loading is defined as the load that can be delivered by the transmission line having. So can you tell me which is correct answer? 72, 72, which is correct answer? Very good, very good. No reactance. The load being at unity power factor. Very good, Rathod. Very good, Manohar. Very nice. So the answer is option D. Next one, 73. Two supports of transmission line are different levels D1 and D2. And the sag point is at P. Sag point is at P, of course. If the difference D2 minus D1 is increases, the sag point shifts to right, shifts to left, shifts to center, remains at the same point. Generally, this is a unpredictable. So, if the difference between two levels increases, if this increases nothing but this will be decreased, this may be increased. At that condition, what will happen? What will happen, sir? Shift to point C, is it? Shift to point C. Maybe like this, generally like this. It may be like this. What they given? Difference of two levels, D2 minus D1 increases. Increases nothing but this value should be increased, this level should be decreased. So it should be shifted to left. Yes. Shift to left. Very good, very good. Very good, Sharat. Very good, Swami, very good. Next. Harmonic suppressors provides. So what it will provide, sir? Harmonic suppressors provides low impedance path for harmonic currents and fault currents. Fault currents okay, but what about the impedance? High impedance path for both. Is it high impedance path? No, that is not correct. Option B is not correct. High impedance path for harmonic currents and low impedance path for fault current. Yes. Generally, harmonic suppressors used to provide low harmonic path for fault current. High impedance path for harmonic current is in third harmonics. It will provide a path. Harmonic suppressor. So low impedance path for harmonic current. So preferably option C maybe. Preferably Pavitra. Low impedance path for harmonic current and high impedance path for fault current. Why the? It should provide the low impedance path for fault current. Low impedance path for fault current, right? So, yeah, yes, Manohar. It may be mostly option C is the correct answer. Option C. Next one. What is the answer for 75th question, sir? Can you tell me? What is the answer for 75th question? 75th question. 75th. Construction and principal operation. Application oriented. Time of operation. The following respect to their classification. Respect to their classification. So, in this, option A is the preferably correct answer. Option A. What is that? A is the 4 differential relays are based on the principle of operation. Application, distance relays, where we have to apply long transmission, medium transmission, low transmission, phase faults, line faults. Time of operation instant. Instant, nothing but time. Very good, sir. Next, 76th question. This is my question only, right? This is my question only, right? Choose the most appropriate path of armature reaction flux and main flux at leading zero power factor of synchronous meshing. What is this question, sir? Synchronous meshing, nothing but what machine, sir? Is the generator or motor? He has to mention. If it is a generator, this. Main flux. If it is a motor, if it is a motor, it is like this. If it is a motor, it is like this. Both are in phase to each other. If it is a motor. If it is a generator, both are exactly out of phase. Both are exactly out of phase. So they given synchronous meshing. They given synchronous meshing. Of course, the main flux is more than the armature flux. The main flux is more than the armature flux, and in opposite direction. This is take as a preferable answer. The armature flux is greater than the main flux. Wrong answer. The main flux is greater than the armature current. Yes, this is preferably correct answer. The armature flux more than, no. So now synchronous meshing. So generally, if they given like that, we have to take into account of generator. If they given synchronous meshing, we have to take into account of generator. Because generally 90% of synchronous machines we are using generator. Of course, motors also we are using in industry. So how can I give you the answer now? So which one, sir? Yeah, at zero power factor, Nana. At zero power factor, leading. At zero power factor, leading 90 degrees. So right, Pavitra. At zero power factor, leading, right? I said you reverse, right? I said you reverse. Zero power factor leading, nothing but for generator both are in phase, and for motor both are out of phase. Yes, Pavitra. Yes, Pavitra. I given you reverse actually. For generator both are in phase. For motor both are out of phase. That's it. For motor both are out of phase. Right. So in between these two, which one is? We can't decide now actually. For generator, both should be in phase to each other. This is the correct answer for alternator. This is the correct answer for motor. This is the correct answer for motor. So now, if you take account of generator is the mandatory, then you have to take the option C. Even they not mentioned anything in the question. Anything in the question. Yes, Praveen. Target, that is not 40, that is nearly 50 kilovolts per 2.5 mm. Nearly 50 kilovolts per 2.5 mm. 40 is the 100% wrong. Suresh, why both are in additive manner? Why not in opposing manner? Why not in opposing manner? Because for synchronous motor, both are in opposing manner. Of course, I am giving option C as a preferable answer. I am giving option C as a preferable answer. Right target. Next. This is really the person who gave you this question. We have to like a dandesh dandam talented kada. A really talented person. So how they asked you? The curves at the left half of the unity power factor line of a V curve of synchronous meshing are. Here clarity is there for generator, for motor, clarity is there. But in the previous question there is no clarity. Yes, Suresh, yes. Right? I will agree with you. Right, sir. So for generator, this is the unity power factor, and this is overexcited lagging, this is underexcited leading for generator. For motor, this is the unity power factor, overexcited leading, underexcited lagging. So now tell me, leading. So left side, right? Left half of the unity power factor, left side. This is for motor, this is for generator. So for generator, left side leading. For generator, left side leading. Leading for generator, lagging for motor. Leading for generator, lagging for motor. So which is correct answer? Option B is the correct answer. Option B is the correct answer. Right? Next one. Next one. Here also. Here also. What they given? What they given? What they given? Once see, which of the following statement equivalent rotor of induction motor? Generally, induction motor, the induced EMF is S into E2. These two are the wrong answers. S into E2 is the induced EMF, 100% correct. Generally, these two are the correct answers, sir. During the calculation of equivalent circuit, in initial case, there is no effect on the rotor resistance, but the rotor reactance affected by S times. So perfectly option A is the correct answer. But after modification, we will come to up to this. But this is modified rotor circuit. The modified rotor circuit is the equivalent circuit. You have to remember that thing. After modification, the rotor resistance is again, of course, we will taken as the R2, we will taken as the X2, and the load resistance is taken as the RL is equal to R2 into 1 by S minus 1. But preferably, we have to take option A. But if the official key, if they given option B, we can't do, of course. But 60% of probability that option A is the correct answer, 100%. What do you think is the safe? There is no effect on the rotor resistance. The rotor reactance multiplied by S times. Next, of course, who are listened my class, they will put the answer easily, 100%. 100%. So what is the question? During crawling, three-phase squirrel cage induction motor runs at 1/7 of the synchronous speed. Crawling nothing but 1/5 or 1/7 of the synchronous speed is due to. I said you already many times. I told you that fifth harmonics are the negative sequence harmonics, seventh harmonics are the positive sequence harmonics. Right? Synchronous speed is the correct answer, not the full load. Reverse harmonics are forward harmonics. The seventh harmonics, 1/7 harmonics is the positive harmonics, sir. Option B is the correct answer. Very good, Manohar. Very good, Pavitra. Right, Nagin Babu, Nagin Gaur. Next. Okay, this is also expectedly we can get the answer easily. This is also very easy. Double gauge induction motor. The double gauge induction motor generally, you know very well. The inner gauge have high starting torque. Sorry, wrong. The inner gauge have lower starting torque. Okay. The inner gauge having lower starting torque. The outer gauge having high starting torque. Yes. The outer gauge having lower starting torque. I am sorry. So which is correct answer? Option B and C are the correct answers. So option B and C are the true. Very good, Sharath. What is the answer, Sharath? Pavitra, very good. Swati, very good. So what is the correct answer for this? Option B is the correct answers. Option B is the, both B and C are the correct answers. B and C are the correct answers. Very good, Shiva. Okay, so these are the questions. We have a non-technical. So non-technical key I will provide you. Now we not completed. So even in there still 3 or 4 questions we not completed because of lack of time and lack of faculty availability at this instant. Okay, I will give you all those questions explanation again. I will come to here again clearly by taking all these, mostly 4 or 5 questions. Of course, in my DC mission also, one problem from the DC mission, one problem is there. I have to do that problem also, of course. Okay, one problem is there. I will give you that answer also. So shortly we will come here to explain previous AE and sub-engineering, and many question papers are there. We have to discuss here. Yes, we will come here again. If you have any doubts, just feel free to contact 9494941234. And generally, guys, this question paper is not a very tough, guys. You people are feeling like that because when the question paper is very tough, we have to do one thing, that whatever the easy questions are there, we have to attempt them first of all. For example, out of 80 questions, if is there around 40 to 50 are easy questions, that is enough to get the job. Of course, the general studies is very easy comparatively. So mostly, if you done 40 questions out of this 80 of technical, 15 questions from the non-technical, you will get 55 which are accurate. Out of 155 are the accurate, and remaining out of 45, if you got 10 to 15 marks, you will get the job, right? Even in the last moment, I given the same instructions to you in the YouTube. I uploaded one video. Once go through the question paper, just analyze the question paper. What is the standards of question paper? If it is very tough, just concentrate on easy questions without mistakes, without committing the mistake. If it is very easy, you have to try to complete every question. But if it is very hard, try to focus on that 40 to 50 questions which you know very well. That will help you. But many people calling me that, sir, I know the questions even though I put a wrong answer because of intention, because many questions I don't know. That's like it. Don't say like that. What are the questions you know very well? Just give me 100% on that. Right? So whatever, who wrote the exam very well, congratulations. Who not wrote very well, all the best to next time. We can't do now. But within short period, we have a Staff Selection Commission Junior Engineer and RRB Junior Engineer, and even in Genco Transco Sub-Engineer posts are there. Later, finally, NPDSL also will release Sub-Engineer notification. Maybe it will take 9 months or 12 months. Long gap, of course. But before that, we have a Assistant Engineers in TSPSC. This is the new role actually. In previously, there is no vacancy of assistant engineer in TSPSC, but now they are releasing the post. They are releasing some vacancies for you people, for diploma people. After that, SSC JE, RRB JE is there, Genco is there, Transco is there. Yes? So, general knowledge questions is there. I will give you a key for that. Okay, guys? So, we'll see you later. Okay, guys? Bye-bye to all. Please share this information to your friends. Please share this video to your friends. Okay? Right? Yes, you know very well. If you have any doubts, you can feel free to contact our mobile number 9494941234, which is scrolling here. And another thing, Junior Lineman NPDCL batch already started. Will start from tomorrow. Junior Lineman NPDCL batch will start from tomorrow. And mostly from August 15th, we are going to start the new batch for AEE Assistant Executive Engineers and Polytechnic Lecturers and Genco Transco Assistant Engineers. Genco Transco Assistant Engineers. Yes, Manohar will be soon. I will give you information, no doubt, guys. I will give you information. Thank you, guys. Thank you for everyone. Really, you played well role. You prepared well. Hope the best results, guys. Thank you very much, guys.